Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs. Sometimes you want to make some egg dishes and you want it to look very presentable, and when you overcook the eggs it has this dark ring around it. Nobody likes it. Let me show you how it is made. These are the eggs that I will be using. So you start with cold water, transfer the eggs into the water. The eggs I'm using are very old eggs. That's why I see some of them are floating. The older eggs tend to peel easier. That's why I'm using older eggs. I will cook it on medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. It usually takes about 15 minutes. It depends on the amount of heat you are using. As you can see, the pot is not covered. You have to cook the eggs uncovered. So it's boiling right now. What I normally do, I use something to crack the eggs a little bit so that the hot water is going to permeate the membrane of the eggs so that it will be very easy to peel the eggs. So when it boils, turn off the heat, crack the eggs, then cover it for 8 to 10 minutes. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Thank you and God bless. So after 10 minutes, the ice cubes are ready for the cold bath. I'm just gonna pour some water. So I'm gonna transfer the eggs from the hot water to the cold water, and what this does is stops the cooking process, because ever since it has been sitting in the hot water it has been cooking. So I'm just gonna stop it abruptly so that it will stop cooking. So I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna cool it down for 10 minutes before I start peeling the eggs. After cooling the eggs for 10 minutes, it is time to peel the eggs. There are different ways to peel eggs. You can peel it under a running tap or faucet. You can put it in a bowl of water and peel it. I've even seen people put the egg in a bowl that has water and shake it vigorously and the thing comes off. You can try one of those methods, they all work. I'm just taking my time here to peel it. Let me use this time to shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. And if you're a returning viewer and yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell. That is the only way you can get an alert whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. Also, do not forget to like and share the video. This is going to help my channel to grow. Thank you. All done. Now it is time to see how the inside looks like. I'm going to use an egg slicer to slice the egg. Let's see the inside. See? Perfect. There's no dark ring around it. So if you are cooking any egg dish, this is how you cook it perfectly. Some people even don't like to eat overcooked eggs. I remember when my daughter was little, anytime she sees that the egg is overcooked, she thinks that it is rotten or bad. She never liked it until I explained to her that the egg was overcooked, not bad. This is how you perfectly cook your hard-boiled eggs. If you have been struggling to cook a hard-boiled egg, why not give this method a try? You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.